Ever feel like you work all day, but nothing actually gets done? It's because your time is slipping through invisible cracks. And you don't need more hours. You just need to use the ones you already have smarter. Your brain isn't a machine. It's not built to grind endlessly. It's built to focus, switch efficiently, and reward you for clarity. So, if you want to get more done in less time, the secret isn't a new app, planner, or hack. It's a routine that works with your brain, not against it. Here's exactly how. Chapter 1. Choose one priority, not 10. Think about your morning. Do you wake up and scroll through Instagram Reels, check messages, and think, what should I do today? Stop. Pick one task that matters most. Just one. Psychology shows your brain performs 10x better when it has a single focus. Example, if you have a report due, don't start your day with emails, calls, cleaning my desk. Just finish that report first. Your brain knows what to aim for, and when it does, it actually hits the target. Chapter 2. Work in short, sharp bursts. Ever try working 3 straight hours and feel your brain mush by the end? Here's why. Your brain isn't wired for that. Try 25 to 40-minute intervals. Set a timer, work intensely, take a 5-minute break. Example, write 500 words in 30 minutes, walk around, come back, repeat. Psychology shows that urgency and deadlines fuel dopamine and focus. Momentum builds faster in short bursts than endless grinding. Your brain loves a finish line. Give it one. Chapter 3. Kill the tiny distractions. Here's a shocking fact. Notifications, tabs, even a quick glance at your phone reset your focus for 15 to 20 minutes each time. Example, you check Instagram for 2 seconds, next thing you know, 30 minutes have vanished. Solution, silence your phone, close tabs you don't need, tell your brain, I'm serious right now. Every tiny distraction steals far more time than you think. Chapter 4. Start with the task you resist the most. Your day has a villain. The one task that drains your energy just by thinking about it. Do it first. Psychology shows that completing the hardest task early triggers a powerful confidence spike. Your brain releases the I can do this effect, and the rest of your day feels lighter. When you kill the biggest monster early, the smaller ones don't scare you anymore. Chapter 5. End with a shutdown ritual. Most people leave work in chaos and carry it into the evening, losing sleep, focus, and peace. Fix it. Create a mini ritual. Close your laptop, jot down wins, plan tomorrow, breathe. Example, spend 5 minutes writing your 3 wins of the day. It signals your brain, we're done. Rest now. Tomorrow's clarity depends on how you end today. Chapter 6. Protect your energy, not just your time. Here's what most productivity advice gets wrong. Time doesn't create output. Energy does. You can have the perfect schedule, but if you're mentally drained, nothing happens. Rest isn't a reward, it's fuel. Hydrate, stretch, breathe, walk. Give your mind oxygen. Your productivity rises and falls with the energy you protect. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, let me know your thoughts on what I just shared.